just close the applicator, the glue is just coming out of it, and that is my issue. I don't know why this is happening, but this is happening. So let me just keep it aside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, I have for you 1, 2, ouch, 3, 4 and 5 eyelashes from Curves and Lashes. These are new launches, right? And I have 5 of these, and just look at the container first. Like it's how should I say, what is this exactly? It's humongous, of course. It's luxurious, more like, you keep it there and it looks good. It is that. I don't have words to actually express what it is, but it's pretty. Okay, it's pretty. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's review these. Let's go. Let's go. Also, I will mention all the links in the description box if they are still in stock, because the stock of this was pretty limited. That's why I just got it बहुत जल्दी. तो अगर मुझे कोई link मिलेंगे, कुछ भी मिलेगा तो मैं mention कर दूँगी for you to buy it. Yeah. Okay. So I wasn't really planning to do this video today, but then I'm wearing one of these lashes. This is in the variant Lonavala. I'm wearing one of these, so I thought, you know what, let's do it. I'm in the mood today to work. I'm in the mood, let's do it. Okay, each one of these is for 200 rupees, but I got them for 150. It was their launch offer, so this दिन ये launch हुआ था, मैंने उस दिन ही ले ली थी. And if you buy 2 of these eyelashes, you will get the lash glue free. So again, this is from Curves and Lashes. It's their new lash glue, and I have used this as well today. I have used this lash glue, and yeah, I have a review for this as well. So starting off first, I think they have 2 sets of lashes. One of them is the simple lash, for everyday, or just a simple lash for simple makeup looks. And then there are, a few of these lashes. I think this is one of them. This is Mosandram, and this is one of them which is more like dramatic, Instagram-ish looks. Right now, my personal preference is always the simple ones. Now, this is also a dramatic one. My personal preference is the simple one like this. This is Aswal. So yeah, see, this is the simple one. This is my preference because my lid space isn't that huge. So just small lashes were good for me. And yeah, so I got a few of the simple ones, and I actually got the simple ones, but some of them actually turned out to be more dramatic than what I was expecting them to. But nonetheless, let's see, they might just work for me, right? So this one is Panji, and I think this is the dramatic one. This is the dramatic variant, and this is how it looks. It's like smaller hair and wispy over hair, dramatic for Instagram-ish looks. That is what it is. So yeah, that is that. Then we have Mosandram, and these are actually named after the cities of India. So that was Panji, and this is Mosandram. And this is how it is. This is more on the simple side, but it is actually longer than what I would go with my eye shape. So it's simple, but for people who have a lot of lid space, right? So this is that. Then next we have is Daman. Daman is a little bit more dramatic. Again, it's bigger in size, so yeah, for those who have a lot of lid space can go with these ones. It isn't as dramatic, but it isn't as simple as well. It's somewhere between simple and dramatic. And then we have Aswal. Aswal is the simple one. This is what you would go for if you want just some basic good lashes. This is what it is. I think Aswal has to be my favorite. Like, just look at this. It's just very pretty. And then we have Lonavala, which is over here on my lashes. I don't know, you cannot see it like this, but yeah, I'll just show you. Yes, right now, I used Lonavala today, right? I'm wearing it, and honestly, right off the bat, I can say the quality of these lashes is good. It is for 200 rupees, and Swiss Beauty ki 99 rupees ki aati hai. This is very comparable to the Swiss Beauty lashes. I think inki quality almost वैसी ही है. I think, yeah, but obviously Swiss Beauty is a huge company, right? And this is a smaller company, so price का जो variation है, I think वो इसीलिए ही है because Swiss Beauty actually just manufactures in bulk, right? It can go for 99 rupees. This is on 200 rupees, and I think 200 rupees के लिए one good lash is good actually. This is good in 200 rupees. There are so many companies out there that actually come out with lashes. For example, let's say Pack की lashes होती हैं. This lash from Pack would have costed you around 400 rupees. So in that case, you're already almost getting it at 50%, right? But you actually got it for 200 from Curves and Lashes, which is a great deal, right? And I think Pack lashes are pretty similar to this as well. So I think there's nothing about the quality. The quality is pretty good, right? Right. So yeah, this is manufactured in China, right? It was manufactured in PRC. I saw the video from Nidhi and she said it's manufactured in PRC because it's not easy to manufacture eyelashes in India. So that is that. These are cruelty-free lashes, which is a big A from me, and I think this is one reason why I'm not a fan of pack lashes, because I don't think they are cruelty-free, but this one is cruelty-free. It's made from synthetic hair, which is the best thing about it. It doesn't get better than this. Now, yeah, I will show you how each of these look if I have tried them. I will just put out the pictures. I mean, if I have done that, and if I haven't, then obviously you can see how Lonavala looks on my eyes, right? Then now coming to the eyelash glue, and this is the eyelash glue. It is a 9 ml eyelash glue, which is pretty big, pretty huge. I have another eyelash glue from, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I just have, so this is 7 gram. 3.5 gram, more like that, but yeah, this was 7 gram and this is 9 ml. So I think it is a pretty big quantity. You can't finish it so soon. And my only problem with this thing is it doesn't have a stopper. Like, this is how the applicator is. It is like a concealer applicator, but there is no stopper in it. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, you can see here, there's no stopper in it, which is weird. Or maybe there is, or maybe there is not. I don't know. I just feel the mouth is so wide that a lot of glue just comes out of it. So just keep it like this, nahi to gir jayega, right? And this is how you apply the glue with this. And I think the applicator, I really love the applicator, let's be honest. I really found it very easy to apply it through this applicator. But I would say I just applied 1 layer of the glue, and I think 1 layer wasn't enough. So go for at least 2 layers, just lather it up properly, right? See, as I just close the applicator, the glue is just coming out of it, and that is my issue. I don't know why this is happening, but this is happening. So let me just keep it aside. So this is this, and I would say when you are applying the lash glue, go with good layer of it, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा, but just keep the quantity in control. But you know, enough to stick your glue. I just feel मैंने थोड़ा सा कम glue लगाया है आज, इसलिए थोड़ा यहाँ से stick नहीं हुआ, right? That is that. But I like the quality of this glue as well because it is pretty quick drying. फटाफट लग गई थी. मुझे लगता है जो वो डुओ वाली लैश ग्लू थी उसके साथ थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है उसको सूखने में एंड देन उसको स्टिक होने में. उसके हिसाब से मुझे ये अच्छा लगा, जल्दी सूख गई, जल्दी लग गई, and it was all good and convenient. So yeah. From my side, if you just don't want to try the lashes and you want a good lash glue, I would say try this lash glue. It is very good actually, right? Right. Yeah, I think this is it for today's video, guys. I don't have a lot to explain because it's just lashes. What else can I explain in this, right? So yeah, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.